Looking for the best seed spreaders? In this video, we've selected the top seed spreaders for even and efficient spreading of grass seed, fertilizer, and lawn treatments. These reliable tools offer smooth performance, easy control, and great coverage to help you achieve a healthy, well-maintained lawn. Starting at number 1. Scott's Wizz handheld Spreade. The Scott's battery-powered spreader is a modern and efficient gardening tool made from durable brown plastic, measuring 23.25 by 7.75 by 19.25 inches, and weighing only 2.1 pounds. It is designed to operate year-round, making it suitable for spreading grass seed, lawn fertilizer, and weed control products over an area of up to 2,500 square feet. With a 5-foot broadcasting range and the innovative EdgeGuard technology, users can achieve precise application with ease. This advanced spreader runs on 4 AA batteries and offers 23 different settings for unmatched accuracy, making it perfect for maintaining a healthy lawn. The handle and blade are also made of plastic, and the contoured grip ensures comfortable handling during use. Number 2. EarthWay Products 10001. The EarthWay 10001 Precision Garden Seeder is an outdoor seed planting tool designed for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts, allowing for consistent plant spacing and accurate seed depth. This versatile tool comes with 7 interchangeable seeder plates, enabling it to sow 38 different types of seeds, making it ideal for planting crops such as hemp, sweet corn, and peas. Constructed from durable aluminum with a rust-proof poly hopper, the seeder is built to last and includes a 1-year limited warranty along with lifetime technical support. Additionally, it features a 30-inch row marker to ensure evenly spaced garden planters, catering to both lawn care professionals and hobbyists in search of reliable and efficient planting solutions. The product is pet-friendly and gluten-free, making it suitable for various users. Number 3. EarthWay 2150 Fertilizer Spreader. The EarthWay spreader, weighing 25 pounds, is designed to tackle rough and uneven patches of lawn with ease. It features 13-inch high-flotation pneumatic stud tires with rust-proof poly rims, allowing it to glide smoothly over your lawn for quick and efficient application. The clog-free grate ensures that material flows smoothly by separating larger portions that could obstruct the hopper, and it can be easily removed when not needed. With EarthWay's 3-hole drop system and side spread control, users can achieve an even spread pattern with feathered edging for precise applications, with the ability to adjust the drop rate directly on the spreader. Additionally, the fully enclosed gearbox promises years of reliable service, providing consistent, clog-free results even in moist or damp conditions. Number 4. Buyers Products ATVS 15A. The Buyers Products ATVS 15A ATV All-Purpose 12V Broadcast Spreader is a heavy-duty 15-gallon hopper system designed for easy mounting on a utility rack or ATV. It delivers a versatile 5 to 30 feet adjustable spread width, making it suitable for evenly distributing seed, fertilizer, rock salt, deer feed, and lawn care materials across different terrains. Powered by a 12-volt system, it offers reliable and efficient spreading performance for large outdoor areas, making it a practical tool for farming, landscaping, and property maintenance tasks. Number 5. Scott's Turf Builder Spreader. The Scott's Broadcast Spreader is a convenient and efficient tool designed for year-round use, requiring no assembly as it comes pre-calibrated and ready to operate. It has a generous capacity, holding up to 15,000 square feet of various Scott's lawn products, making it versatile for applications such as lawn food, salt, ice melt, or grass seed. The spreader features a hopper and agitator that ensure smooth product funneling and consistent coverage across your lawn. Additionally, it incorporates Scott's exclusive EdgeGuard technology, which helps prevent lawn products from spilling onto landscaping, driveways, and sidewalks, ensuring a neat and tidy application. With its green color and dimensions of 19 by 22 by 22 inches, this 10.9-pound spreader is both practical and effective for maintaining a healthy lawn.